Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. This is a real quick little recipe for you. It is my turkey and sweet potato rissoles. Really easy to do. Let's get on with it. First thing I've got is sweet potato. You're going to peel that, of course, and I shouldn't have to show you how to do that. Box grater, we're going to grate up some of that sweet potato. Now, I'm going to use only about a third of that sweet potato mixture that we're grating up. There it is there, and I'm going to put that into a separate bowl, and we're going to make these beautiful little turkey rissoles. 500 grams of turkey mince that goes in, and I'm going to add in around about 2 to 3 tablespoons worth of Greek seasoning. Okay, that can go straight in, and that you just buy from your local supermarket. This is real quick and easy. Right, I'm also going to add in a grated carrot that can go in. Going to help extend things a little bit further. 2 cloves of fresh garlic, minced or crushed, just like that. That goes in. I'm going to add in 2 spring onions, very finely diced or sliced. That can go straight in. It's going to give a great flavour. 1 cup of grated cheese. Use the cheese of your choice. Don't use the mozzarella though. We want this all to stick together. Start mixing all of that through, just like I'm doing right there. And we want things to stick together. I'm going to add in 1 beaten egg to start with and give that all a good mix through. And I want to see how moist this particular mixture is before I do anything else. Right, I'm going to add in a third of a cup of breadcrumbs, just the ones you buy from the store. Right, put those in, and it's going to help bind things together and dry out a mixture just a little bit. Alright, give that all a good mix, and you'll see things starting to clump together. It's exactly what we want. My oven is sitting at 180 degrees Celsius, and all I'm going to simply do is scoop out little blobs of that mixture onto some baking paper on a baking tray. Okay, we're not going to try and form these. We're going to keep these really loose, and the cheese and the egg and the breadcrumbs is going to really make these come together, and they'll end up being a little bit dense. Into the oven, around about 20 minutes or so. There you go. You've got KP's turkey and sweet potato rissoles. Serve it up with a little bit of tzatziki that I've bought from the supermarket, and there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Leave it a comment. I love reading and love responding to them, and don't forget to hit that notifications bell once again. Alright, I'm off to eat my turkey and sweet potato rissoles. I know this is a quick recipe, and that's the intention of it, and I will catch you next time. Bye.